Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to buy and sell Instagram accounts in 2020. So if you need just social media presence, or maybe you are in a business where you flip Instagram accounts, then this is the video for you, and I'm gonna show you a website that you can use, and it's completely safe and also really helpful to buy and sell Instagram accounts. So this is the website eflippo.com, and I'm actually sponsored by this website, and I have used it again in the past for selling an account and also for buying, and they help me as a middleman. So their services are really good, and I want to suggest you this website as well. So let me show you the website, and I'm going to show you why this website stands out from the other ones. First of all, I'm going to show you how it works, which is pretty similar to the other ones. Make an offer, buyer place, eFlippo, then the shoutout or the transfer is completed, and yes, you can buy and sell shoutouts here as well. And then the eFlippo pays the seller, pretty similar to the other websites, but what makes it more unique is actually that they have authenticated and audited Instagram accounts. They actually go through the process and they check everything, and the engagement, the followers, and if the account is fake or not, if it has ghost followers, fake followers. And this is perfect because you know that you're buying a good Instagram account. Also, what else makes them even better is actually that they have an auditor. When you are going to buy an account and you want to check out the followers, the analytics of the account, you can actually do that, and they provide a really good auditor to check out everything you want to. So that's pretty awesome, and here you can see all the options you have. If you want to buy an account, you go just here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and how the accounts look like. And here you can see this is the prices, these are the accounts, and it's gonna change when you're gonna visit it probably, but here are what it looks like, the design. Here you can actually choose your price, followers, language, country, and filter the accounts. Then you can go and sell the account, which is completely free, of course. And when you go here, you're gonna see list your account, wait for offers, and make the deal. Pretty simple, and of course it's free. And here you just create your account, you log in, and then you provide the account you want to sell. And the minimum amount of followers you need to have is 7,000 followers to sell your account. Now you can go actually and find an influencer. Maybe you want to buy a shout out for your page, or maybe you want to sell a product, or maybe an e-commerce product, dropshipping. Here you can find different influencers to buy shout outs from. Here you can see they start as low as $2. Maybe other have, you see, 800,000 followers and they start at $15. You can see the prices are pretty good if you want a shout out. And of course you can be an influencer and sell shoutouts if you have an account that has a pretty much good following. Now here, this is a page that is being sold on the website, and here you can see you get a Hive auditor review. You can see the audience quality analytics, you can see the language insight and graphics, engagement analytics, the followers age and gender, and all that kind of stuff, which is perfect. And here, when you want to buy an account, you can see some information here, and then you can make an offer. You can see the categories of the account, and of course the payment is done via PayPal and credit card. So this is the website. I really like this website, and I think I like it more than the other ones because it's the transaction I did some days ago for my account was really fast. I sold one account and the transaction went smoothly, and I was done within some minutes. And with other pages, with other websites that I used, the transaction could actually be for days. So that's the website. That's how you buy and sell Instagram accounts. It's pretty simple and it's pretty fast to do so. So that's the video. Thank you a lot guys for watching. If I helped you, then drop a like in this video, subscribe to my channel to support me as well, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss out on any of the future videos. Thank you a lot again for watching, and I will see you next time.